Rose, the beauty nerd here, and yes, my hair is purple. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be dyeing my hair each gemstone look I do. I wish that would be the reality, but it's not. So my hair is purple right now. It's not quite the shade that I wanted, but it's the shade that I got, so we're gonna deal with it. Anyway, today I am doing an amethyst look, as you can see on my face. This is very purple, by the way. So if you guys don't like this much purple, you could probably just do like a neutral eye with this lip, or you could do this eye with a more natural lip. Just, you know, throwing that out there. However, I am very out of the box and I like to do the, you know, insane looks. So I was, you know, obviously inspired by Amethyst. I was also, I'm gonna try and do a gemstone look each month. I'm probably gonna skip July because I did a garnet/ruby look in January. So quick shout out to all the February birthday babes. Hey guys, happy birthday. But yeah, so we're gonna try and do that every month. I'm super excited to do my birth month, which is Peridot. So that's probably gonna be a light green. So this was, you know, obviously inspired by Peridot Amethyst, which as you can see is kind of like a light purple, which I tried to do on my eyes. But then there's also images of where it's pretty dark and it's more of a, I would say, I feel like more of a blue purple than like a red purple, if you kind of get my drift. So this is, you know, what I created, what I ended up with. So as usual, all products will be listed down in the description box below. Before we get on into the video, if you're new here, hello, my name is Nova Rose. This is me. I don't know why. But it would be awesome if you would subscribe to my channel. I make 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you wanna, you know, turn on those post notifications, you can hit that little bell. Yeah. Anyway, enough talking. Let's just get on into this tutorial. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows done and my eyes primed. Obviously, I haven't put my hair back just because I really like the way I look with just like my eyebrows done. I don't know why. But I'm gonna use this headband to put my hair back and hopefully not smudge my eyebrows. So we're gonna be starting off with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna be taking this white shade right here and just setting the eyeshadow primer on my eyes. Just taking it like so. The next color I'm gonna go for is this light purple color right here, and we're just gonna take that and sweep that through the crease as a transition color. We're not gonna use too many colors in the crease just because Amethyst is, as I think I said in the beginning, more of a lighter stone. It's dark in some pictures, but like the actual stone I believe is pretty light. So we're just gonna sweep that purple color through the crease. Alright, the last color I'm going to be using is this color right here, which is a darker kind of, it's a darker purple, it's a little brighter almost. Just going to use that, and again to deepen up the crease. For the lid color, I'm going to be taking the My Little Pony ColourPop palette, and I'm going to be taking this purple color right here, which I believe is called Sky Dancer, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lid. So just to add a little bit more, I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D Alchemist Palette. I'm going to be going in with the Ultraviolet, which is called Amethyst, and I'm just going to be popping that kind of on the center of my eye. We will also be using this as highlighter a little later, so just adding a little something to the eyelid. So the eyelid is almost done. I'm gonna go off camera and pop on some mascara, foundation, all of that kind of stuff, and I will be right back. So I am back with foundation, contour, bronzer, mascara. I didn't put on any winged eyeliner just because I didn't feel like this look needed it. So we're gonna finish off the lower lash line. We're gonna take this purple color right here again with this brush, and we're just going to, you know, as usual, sweep it under the eyes. So for highlight, as I said before, I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D Alchemist Palette. Looks like so. I think I'm holding it upside down. There you go. And I'm going to be using the Ultraviolet Amethyst shade, which is the center shade right here, because it's called Amethyst, so why not? Take my finger and I'm going to take a little bit of it and apply it to the inner corner. Last up is lips, and I'm going to be using the Sugarpill Liquid Poison lipstick in Spank. The finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon for post notifications. My social medias will be listed down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, stay beautiful.